ports, shipping waterways, Sarbananda Sonowal took part in a discussion on the Union Budget 2024-25 with the leaders of business community, youth as well as women from the region in the city today. The discussion revolved around provisions of the Union Budget 2024 that is set to unroll the roadmap towards realizing the vision of Viksit Bharat. The Northeast India, which plays a very important role, stands to benefit from this budget as it aims to empower region's economic, industrial and agricultural sectors with the enablement of youth, women and tribal communities, remarked Sarbananda Sonowal.
In which this budget will give full emphasis and to make every citizen empowered for their capacity building, efficiency enhancement, so that they could contribute to the faster growth of economy in the country. Every citizen will have a big role to play to make India Atmanirbhar Bharat in the next 25 years. So I believe this is the reason why 11.11 lakhs crore has been allocated for capital expenditure. Capital expenditure means infrastructure growth across the country. And you know, it is very easy to make the expenditure in the revenue sector. But capital expenditure is a Himalayan tax. Every state of the country will have to play a very, very important role in it. State and center. They will have to move hand in hand. It is all kind of integrated effort and also Jan Bhagidari, people's participation. People's participation and integrated effort of the center and state, then they could create the infrastructure which is very much relevant to our faster growth. Communication, connectivity, all the institutions, whatever, for the poor people needs to be updated their lifestyle. Whatever, education, standard of education and facility needs to be required for the skilling of our youth and also for the standard of education and whatever support is required for the empowering of women to make them self-sufficient, self-reliant. And I believe this is the way the budget has very clearly given an opportunity to all the citizens of the country, all sections, whether it is MSME, middle class, all sections has been taken into confidence. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas.